Guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'll be unboxing and basically showing you guys how to install the Goove RGB LED strip lights with the remote control. It's a 20 color DIY mode color changing light strips. With the remote control, you can do various stuff such as adjusting the brightness, changing the colors, powering the lights on or off, altering the lights from warm to bright. In here inside the box you get a user manual, a disclaimer pamphlet, an installation card, basically the steps to properly set up the LED strip lights around your bedroom. You also get 2 rolls of strip lights, both of them are 16.4 feet. You get the power brick, alcohol prep pads, and 2 full bags of mounting clips and screws, as well as the remote control and the smart power cable and control panel. I'm gonna let you guys watch the installation process, and I'll see you in a bit when the LED strip lights are officially installed. RGB LED strip lights was quite effortless. When I saw these LED lights up in my bedroom, I was amazed how insanely cute and aesthetic they looked. This was definitely worth it. I definitely recommend you guys going on Amazon and purchasing your RGB LED strip lights. It basically adds color, style, and overall it just changes the ambiance of your bedroom. So this is it for this video. If you guys have any questions about this specific product or any items you want me to review, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.